Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are diving into iOS 18.5 new update specifically for iPhone 13 series. I'll walk you through all the new changes, features, and why you might want to wait before hitting that update button. Let's get started. So I'm gonna share you the photos and the screenshot I taken. So as you guys can see here, 18.5 new software update. The size of this update was around more than 1 GB, and this is my iPhone 13 Pro. I have installed this update. I have installed from iOS 18.4.1. So first up, the build number of iOS 18.5 have changed, and let me show you the build number in the settings. In the general and the about, you guys can check out here. The build number is 22F76 now. If you have already updated, let me know in the comments if you noticed any major differences. After the update, I noticed the iPhone storage got a little bit more occupied. On my iPhone 13 series, it took around 2 GB. So if you're on tight on storage, keep this in mind before updating. So for those interested in modern firmwares, it got updated to latest version. This mean minor improvements to connectivity and call quality. Let me know if you notice any difference. So now let's talk about iOS 18.5 introduces a beautiful new Pride wallpaper perfect for the customizing lock screen. It's vibrant and adds a fresh touch to your iPhone, of course. So if you are interested, you can try that LG QBVT Plus. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly or not. You can try that wallpaper as well. Well, also have updated warranty screen that gives clearer details about your device coverage. A nice touch for those who want quick access to the information. Jump to settings, jump to about section like in general, and you will see Apple warranty care and warranty, and you will see your device, and you guys can see here it will mention your device and serial number as well. So kind of new warranty screen available here. For iPhone 13 series, here's a big one. Apple has enabled satellite mode for the iPhone 13 series. This brings emergency SOS via satellite to these devices, but it's with the network provider because it don't have a hardware support. So iPhone 13 series got the um, satellite mode with the network. I know T-Mobile supports that, a feature that was previously limited to newer models. Definitely a useful addition for adventurous or those in remote areas, but still. While this update seems promising, I have noticed some bugs, especially in iPhone 16 series, about the standby mode. For instance, right? So my recommendation: hold off on updating just yet. I'll be doing a full review soon to give you clearer picture. That's everything in new iOS 18.5. There are some little bit changes here, like minor changes, but not much. Apple is mostly focusing on iOS 19, so that's why we're not getting a lot of features or changes here. What do you think about these changes? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned for more for my full review. Until then, take care. Bye bye.